Hey hustlers and future moguls, ready to dominate e-commerce in 2025? Today we're breaking down Aidan Booth's The Omega Project, an 8-week training program that's turning ordinary entrepreneurs into dropshipping rock stars. Spoiler, this might just be your golden ticket. Let's dive in. Imagine this: a step-by-step blueprint to launch a profitable online store in just 8 weeks. Over 100 videos, live coaching, and tools that do the heavy lifting. The Omega Project isn't just a course, it's a business in a box for the digital age, and trust me, it's packed with secrets you won't find anywhere else. Let's talk unique edge. While everyone's stuck battling Instagram ads, Aidan Booth flips the script. His traffic strategy, Google and Bing shopping. Yep, target buyers actively searching for products, not mindlessly scrolling. Less competition, higher intent, and instant visibility. No SEO ninja skills required. Genius, right? And the tools? Game changers. The product Vulcan software scans over 100,000 proven winners, so you skip the guesswork. The Storefront Builder slaps together sleek conversion-ready stores in minutes. Plus, bonuses like Omega 1 for landing pages that convert like crazy. This program's stacked. Who's it for? You, if you've dabbled in paid ads and want to scale. Yes, you'll need a budget for traffic, $1,000 to $2,000 to start, but the training walks you through every click. Not for total newbies, but if you're hungry to level up, this is your playbook. Picture this. Sarah, a mom with zero tech skills, uses Omega's templates and coaching to crush it. No coding, no influencers, just smart traffic and products people actually want. And with bonuses like $1 per month Shopify and a year of coaching, you're set up to win. In the world of e-commerce, control and community play pivotal roles. You see, having control over your online store allows for a seamless customer experience. It's not just about managing inventory or processing orders. It's about creating a cohesive brand narrative that resonates with your audience. Now let's talk about community. Building a community around your brand fosters loyalty and trust. When customers feel like they're part of something bigger, they're more likely to return and even advocate for your brand. So, it's essential to engage with your audience, listen to their feedback, and make them feel valued. Remember, control and community are the twin pillars of a successful online store. By mastering these elements, you can create a thriving e-commerce business that not only attracts customers, but also keeps them coming back. Is it 100% passive? Nope. But let's get real. No real business is. The upside? You're in control. No Amazon fees, no waiting months for SEO. Just your store, your brand, and profits on your terms. Oh, and the community? Think Avengers of e-commerce, always there to hype you up. In 2025, the e-commerce game is fierce. But the Omega Project? It's the cheat code. Whether you're pivoting from side hustles or scaling an empire, Aidan's system is fast, flexible, and future-proof. So, ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're in. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the link below to grab the Omega Project before the next wave of students sells out your niche. Let's make 2025 your year. Stay hungry, stay profitable, and go crush it.